So you're probably wondering why the sky is like this. Well, it's a hurricane. A hurricane is happening over in Northern Ireland right now. But it's quite weird actually, because I've never seen the sky colour like this before. And I got both of my lights on to keep it warm because, you see, look, when I turn them both off, it's really dark. But when I turn them on, it's still bright, so I can actually see what I'm doing. But yeah, if you are in Northern Ireland, it's probably dangerous. If you're watching this, 6th of October is the day of the hurricane. For you Irish.